Hey peeps, this your boy, Cooking with Ryan. You know that. You know how much I love you guys. So anyway, I was in one of my favorite stores, Food Line. Yeah, I hope you got one near you because Food Line has an awesome deal going on right now. 22-pound turkey. Regular price is $59.54. Just so we can get this so you can see it. See that price? If you buy $35 worth of groceries, not including the price of this, so $35, and this ended up costing me $5.76 for a 22-pound turkey. I paid $5.57. So you know I'm down with helping people get fed, helping people with the weight, living the best you can live. This turkey, a 22-pound turkey, is nothing to play with. You can literally make several meals out of this, and I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to make several meals out of this one turkey. I'm going to do some bad things to this turkey. But the holiday's still coming. Again, you have to spend $35, not including the price of the turkey. So it'll be whatever you get, make sure it's $35, and then you'll pay the $5.57 for this one, or $22. The prices vary based on the weight of the turkey. This is the best time to go get one. They were on sale today when I went and picked it up. If you have a big family, multiple families coming over, I'm going to make some really good. The holidays is coming around, so I got to get my holiday dishes together for you guys so that you can enjoy the holidays with your friends, family, and loved ones. And we all might be in separate homes, but we all be together because we're cooking. Wow, what am I going to tell you? So that is the special that's going on with Food Line today. Food Line, and this usually lasts all the way until the end of Thanksgiving, and sometimes if they have leftovers, it'll push out beyond it. It is not a fresh turkey. It is frozen, which means it is rock solid. Put it in your deep freezer, and probably about a day before you're about to prepare it, take it out. So it depends on the temperature of your house. It may take 2 days to thaw out. If you want to, you can wait till about a week, maybe 4 days, take it out of the deep freezer and stick it in your refrigerator. That's a long, painful process of its defrosting, but the refrigerator tends to be at a lower temperature, so it defrosts slowly. So yes, go ahead and grab you one of the Food Line 22-pound turkeys for $5.67. I said that right. $5.67. You can't even buy a 10-pound chicken for $5.67. I buy my quarterlies for $8.90, and that's 10 pounds. This is 22 pounds for almost half the price. Now the only catch is you can only buy one of these per visit. So you buy one today, wait a few days, go back and get you another one. Of course, you got to spend at least $35. So that is the special of the day from your from your friendly neighborhood Food Line. Go ahead and get you a good turkey. All right? I'll talk to you guys later. You take care of yourself. It's Cooking with Ryan, baby.